run away. I'm holding on desperately. Hey. So, yo, what up, people? I'm out here about to have some things going on. I'm about to start working on some shorts. See if I can do some shorts. I don't know how this gonna go. Start working on some shorts. Start working on, maybe do a little something different on these videos. Y'all stay tuned. Like I always say, there's more to come. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Three, two, one. Man, something to the spaghetti. I don't want to wrinkle to it. What are you doing? With the spaghetti. So you can speed this part up too. Brown all of this. Took a little longer than I wanted it to. Really need to add extras into your spaghetti. This sit, soak and drain. I gotta get this spaghetti ready. Take 2 minutes.
Y'all, like I said, every TV in this house is on the same thing. Y'all might well be in one room.
Yeah, true.
No, they had to have their space.
So yo, I just put this in here. Let this cool off and drain. this ain't gonna be helpful. Yeah. I'm gonna have to let this simmer. I'm gonna be ready to go. Now, I know some of you people don't make it like this. I know some of you just like to separate your meat and your noodles. And I don't even like to have a sauce on the side. Me, I'm old school. I like it all together, so all the flavor can seep into everything while it's cooking. And you already know what tomorrow is. Tomorrow, 2-day-old spaghetti. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Now, I said my mama can't be in the kitchen. My butt came in here taste testing, talking about I taste test when anybody cook. I said, you taste test when you cook. You don't taste test when I cook. I said, what kind of cooking you don't taste test? I said, I've been doing this long enough. I don't need to taste test. Besides the fact that I knew she was gonna come in this kitchen anyway, so she already validated that it's good. So for all my left-handed people, you see it. I gotta do what I gotta do. Let this simmer down and then we're done and we'll do it. Be back. Much as I hate to put this on here, I'm gonna put it on here anyway because the biscuits didn't come out right because the dough didn't separate right. But that's been cooking with LJ. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And have a great night. Peace.